Hey, what's up YouTube? I'm back again with the Holy Stone HS510 pocket-sized brushless GPS drone. I know it's snowy and it's kind of gloomy out here, but it's Canada. Let's do it anyways. Alright guys, let's take this thing off from my car. Another windy day. I don't know how this is going to turn out, guys. You guys see that thing? I would have taken off from the ground, but check it out, snow. Alright. Fly around in this Canadian winter here. I'm not using the app, guys, I'm just using the straight up remote. It's actually a fire station over there. This thing can move though, guys. I know it's not sunny, you know, but it is what it is, guys. Not doing it much justice with this cloudy day, but, you know. Alright. Let me do some low flying. You guys can check it out. I don't know if you guys can see this well, but you know. And it's actually under 250 grams, so the wind will take this thing. Wind will take it, guys, and it is windy. I like this. Don't let that wind punk you, man. Alright. You guys see that thing? Wind's taking it. Alright. Let's see if I can do some sort of hand catch thing here. I don't want to land in the snow. And I doubt I can land on my car. Actually, you know what? Let me try landing on my car. Nope. That's not gonna happen. Let me catch this thing. You can turn off now, man. Alright. See those skills, guys? Alright guys, that's a Holy Stone HS510 pocket-sized brushless GPS drone. See you guys on the next video. Later.